So, good day sir. So, sa video pong ito is magde-demonstrate po ko ng VLAN network diagram with trunk port using Cisco Packet Tracer. So, dito po sir is kailangan po natin ng dalawang switch para po sa building 1 and building 2, wherein each switch is meron po silang tatlong VLAN. So, lagay po tayo ng dalawang switch. And then sa ating VLAN 10 HM is may 1 PC and 3 laptops. So 1 PC and then 3 laptop. And then circle lang po natin. Then lagyan po natin ng label na VLAN 10 HM. And then next, sa ating VLAN 20 CIT is 7 laptops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then circle lang po natin ulit. And then label. VLAN 20 CIT. Then sa ating VLAN 30 kaba is 6 laptops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Then circle lang po natin. Dito lang po natin to. Circle po natin ng maayos. Then lagyan natin ng label ulit, VLAN 30 kaba. And then next sa ating switch 2 is ganun lang din po, meron tayong VLAN 10 HM. So sa ating VLAN 10 HM, sa ating building 2 or switch 2 is 5 laptops po yung kailangan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle lang po natin. And then label VLAN 10 HM. And then sa ating VLAN 20 CIT is 8 laptops yung kailangan. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, usog lang po natin ito. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then circle lang po natin ulit. And then label VLAN 20 CIT. VLAN 20 CIT. And then sa ating VLAN 30 kaba is for laptops. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then lagyan po natin ng circle ulit. And then label. So VLAN 30 kaba. VLAN 10HM, VLAN 2080, VLAN 30 kaba, VLAN 10HM, 2018 then kaba. Then next po na gagawin natin is i-rename po natin itong mga ating VLANs ng PC1 to PC34. PC1, then PC2, then PC3, then PC4, PC5, PC5, PC6, PC7, PC8, PC9, and PC10. And then PC11, then PC12, PC13, PC14, then PC15, then PC16, PC17, then PC19, PC20, PC21, PC22, PC23, then PC24, PC25, PC26, PC27, then PC28, PC29, PC30, PC31. Wait lang, parang may mali. PC1, PC2, PC3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, PC18, PC19, sumali po tayo doon, sorry sir. So PC20, and then PC21, PC22, PC24, 22, 23, PC24, PC25, PC26, PC27, PC 28, PC 29, PC 20, PC 30, and then dito naman po PC 40, PC 40, PC 31, PC 32, PC 33, then PC 34. So, next po natin gagawin, sir, is maglalagay po tayo ng IP address ng per PC. And then, mag-automatic na po yung kanyang subnet mask. Yan, and then desktop, and then IP configuration. Dito po sa ating PC1 is 10.0.1.1. So, yun na po. Automatic na po yung kanyang subnet mask. And then PC2 is 10.0.1.2. Then PC3 is 10.0.1.3 and enter. Is ating PC4 is 10.0.1.4. The next VLAN 20. So 172.16.0.1. PC6 172.16.0.2. Check lang po natin kung nagre-record pa. Yan. PC7 172.16.0. PC7 is 3, and then enter, and then PC8 desktop IP configuration, and then 172.16.0.4. Then PC9 172.16.0.5. And then PC10 172.16.0.6. Then PC11, so 172.16.0.7. So next PC12 192.168.2.1. Then 192.168.2.2. and then PC14 192.168.2.3, and then PC15 is 192.168.2.4, and then PC16 192.168.2.5, then PC17 192.168.2.6, 6.5 pala yun, sorry. Tama ba? 1, 2. Anong PC itong 16.5? So that's 6 dito. Tama pala. (192.168.2.6). And then next, PC18 is 10.0.1.5. 10.0.1.5. PC19 10.0.1.6. PC20 10.0.1.7. The next PC21 10.0.1.8. Then PC22 is 10.0.1.9. The next PC23 is 172.172.16.0.8. So PC24 172.16.0.989. Enter. Then PC25 172.16.0.10. The next PC26 172.16.0.11. And then PC27 172.16.0.12. Then PC28 172.168.0.13. And then PC29 172.16.0.14. and then 172.16.0.15. The next ating VLAN 30 Kaba is PC31 192.168.2.7. So 192.168.2.8. sa ating PC33, and then 192.168.2.9. Then sa ating PC34 is 192.168.2.10. Yan. So, next naman, sir, is maglalagay naman na po tayo ng connection using straight through cable. Bago po muna yun is maglagay po muna tayo ng label niya dito, which is VLAN 1 or VLAN 10 is Fast Ethernet 0/1 to 6. Then dito naman po is Fast Ethernet sa ating VLAN 30, Fast Ethernet 0, 15, 16 to 20. Then sa ating VLAN 20 is Fast Ethernet 0, 16 to 16 is 7 to 15. Ito po pala is ano po to? 21. So sa ating VLAN 10 is 1 to 6, and then sa ating VLAN 20 is Fast Ethernet 7 to 15, and then sa ating VLAN 3 is Fast Ethernet 16 to 21. So ganun din po dito sa ating VLAN 1 or VLAN 10 HM. So Fast Ethernet 0, 1 to 6. And then dito is Fast Ethernet 0, 7 to 15. And then dito naman po is Fast Ethernet 0, 16 to 21. Fast Ethernet 1 to 6, 1 to 6, and then Fast Ethernet 0, 7 to 15, Fast Ethernet 0, 16 to 21. So, ngayon maglalagay ito po tayo ng connection. So, dito po sa ating VLAN 10 is Fast Ethernet 0 and then 1 to 6. So, Fast Ethernet 0, then 2, then PC3, Fast Ethernet 0 to Fast Ethernet 3, Fast Ethernet 0, and then Fast Ethernet 4. So, next ating VLAN 20 is Fast Ethernet 0, and then mag-jump na po tayo sa Fast Ethernet 7 since 1 to 6 is range po yun ng ating VLAN 1 or VLAN 10. So, PC6, number 8, then PC7, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 9, then fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 10, then fast Ethernet 0, then fast Ethernet 11, then fast Ethernet 0, PC10, and then fast Ethernet 12, and then PC11, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 13. So, ayusin lang po natin to. Yan. And then, next, PC12, fast Ethernet 0, and then mag-jump na po tayo sa at 16 since range ng VLAN 20 or VLAN 2 natin is 7 to 15. So, 16 na po yan. And then, PC13 is fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 17. And then, PC14, fast Ethernet 0, and then 18. And then, fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 19. Then fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 20. Then fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 21. And then next, dito na po tayo sa ating switch 2. So, PC18, fast Ethernet 0, and then 1 na po ulit. So, 1 to 6 lang po ulit. And then, PC19, fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 2. And then, fast Ethernet 0, PC21 to fast Ethernet, So, PC20 po muna, fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 3. And then fast Ethernet 21, fast Ethernet PC21, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 4. And then PC22, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 5. Then next, PC23, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 7 na po ulit since VLAN 2 na po yan or VLAN 20. Wherein 7 to 15 na lang yung kanyang range. So, fast Ethernet 8, then PC25, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 9, then PC26, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 10. And then 27, fast Ethernet 0, and then fast Ethernet 11, and then fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 12. And then fast Ethernet 0 ulit, PC29, and then fast Ethernet 13. Then fast Ethernet 0, PC30, fast Ethernet 14. So, isin lang po natin. And then next, sa ating VLAN 3 or VLAN 30 kaba, fast Ethernet 0. So, mag-jump na po tayo ulit sa 16. Since 16 to 20 yung kanyang range. Fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 17. Fast Ethernet 17. Then fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 18. Then fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 19. Yan. 19. Then next, i-connect naman po natin yung ating dalawang switch. So gagamit po tayo dito ng crossover. So fast Ethernet 22, since yung ating mga VLAN is from 1 to 21. So 22 and then 22 lang po ulit dito. Yan. Then ngayon po is magsi-CLI na po tayo sa ating dalawang switch. So bago po muna is i-rename po muna natin to ng S1 for switch 1, and then dito naman po is switch 2. Magsi-CLI na po tayo, so click na po natin to and then CLI. So enter and then enable configure terminal, and then enable secret class, and then banner MOTD hashtag unauthorized strictly prohibit exclamation and then hashtag, and then enter, and then no IP domain lookup, and then line mali ulitin pa natin, no IP domain lookup, so line console 0, no IP domain lookup line console 0, and then password Cisco, and then hostname S1, and then VLAN 10 name HM, and then VLAN 20 name CIT, then VLAN 30 name Kaba, and then VLAN 80 name native, and then exit, then enter lang po ulit, and then show VLAN brief. So nabuksan na po natin yung default, meron na po tayong ports sa ating default, and then kailangan po nating palabasin yung ports ng HM, CIT at Kaba. So enable password, lagyan po natin yung password, and then configure terminal interface range F fast Ethernet 0, 1 to 6, and then switch port access VLAN 10, then switch port mode access, and then end, then exit, enter, and then enter ulit, and then show natin, show VLAN brief. So meron na po, palabas na po natin yung ports na ating HM. So next naman po is CIT. Ulit lang po, enable password, configure terminal, interface range F, fast Ethernet 0, 7 to 15. Then switch port access VLAN 20. Switch port and then switch port mode access, enter, and then end, then exit, then show natin, show VLAN brief. Then yan, nabuksan na po natin or napalabas na po natin din yung sa ating C18. Then next Kaba, enable lang po ulit, and then password, and then configure range fast Ethernet 0 to 16 to 21. So configure terminal po muna. So end lang po natin ulit kasi nagkamali po tayo. And then exit. Hintay po natin i-show kung hindi po magkaka-error. VLAN, show VLAN brief. So yun naman po na nagkamali. So Kaba na lang po ulit. So enable. And then password. Enable password, configure terminal. Configure terminal, and then interface range press enter 0, 16 to 21. And then switch port access VLAN 30, and then switch port mode access, and then end, exit, and then show VLAN brief. So yun, Kaba. So okay na po, and then next na lang po natin to. So next naman po is dito naman po tayo magsiselize sa ating switch 2. Minutes na 39. So enter lang po natin, and then enable, then configure terminal, then enable secret class, then banner MOTD hashtag unauthorized strictly prohibit. No IP domain lookup. Then pwede mo lookup line console 0. Then password Cisco, then enter, and then line VTY 04 line VTY 04. Tingnan po natin kung hindi po tayo magkaka-error kasi nagkamali na po tayo. And then passwords Cisco ulit, password Cisco, and then hostname S2, and then VLAN 10, name HM, then VLAN 20, name CIT, then VLAN 30, name Kaba, then VLAN 80, name native, and then end exit. Sana hindi po tayo magka-error, no? And then show VLAN brief. So yun, kung hindi naman po tayo nagka-error, din ganoon lang din po, same process lang po na kailangan po natin palabasin yung ports ng HM, CIT, and then Kava. So enable password, and then configure terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0 1 to 6, and then switch port access VLAN 10, and then switch port mode access, then end, then exit ulit, then enter, and then show po natin, show VLAN brief. So next CIT, enable password configure terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0 fast Ethernet 0 7 to 15, then switch access VLAN 20, then switch port switch port pala yung kamali na naman, ulitin na lang po natin, sana hindi ulit magka-error. And then hindi nakakalimutan yung port, switch mode access, and then end, then exit, and then VLAN show VLAN brief. So yun, CIT, meron na pong sa CIT. The next sa Kaba naman po, last, enable password configure terminal interface range as Ethernet 0, 16 to 21. To 21, and then switch port access VLAN 30, switch port access VLAN 30, and then switch port mode access, and then end exit, and then show VLAN brief ulit. Then, so yan, successful na po yung ating pagselay. So, X na lang po natin ulit to, and then try po nating mag-simulation. So, ito si PC1 sa PC19, and then si PC14, 14 ba ito? PC14 is sa PC33, and then PC6 to PC25, and then PC34 to PC4. Mali. So, ulitin po natin. So, PC1 is si PC19. Then, PC15 is si PC34. Then, PC6 is si PC24. Then, si PC20 is si PC4, and then si PC31 is kay PC12, and then si PC28 is kay PC11. So, yan po. Tayo natin. So, hintayin lang po natin mag-successful. So, yun na po, sir. So, nag-successful naman na po lahat. So, save ko na po ito. VLAN configuration. VLAN configuration. So, save. So, that's all sir. Thank you po.